Revolutionize manufacturing efficiency with Dofort ERP. In the dynamic realm of manufacturing, where every moment counts, efficiency reigns supreme. Allow us to introduce Dofort Manufacturing ERP, the all-encompassing solution, meticulously crafted to optimize your operations seamlessly from inception to completion. With real-time data analytics at your fingertips, you gain unparalleled insights into every aspect of your production process. Dofort Manufacturing ERP is equipped with intuitive dashboard interface which makes navigation a breeze, empowering your team to work smarter, not harder. Manage inventory effortlessly, optimize production dynamically, and ensure seamless coordination across your entire supply chain. Experience the power of Dofort Manufacturing ERP and take your production to new heights. Contact us today to schedule a demo. Thank you for watching.